Hello guys, and welcome back to another Fat Jeeps video. Hope everybody's doing well and is safe. In today's video, we're going to be changing out the tail lights. We're going to be changing them to a JL conversion kit. Today's video is going to be sponsored by American Modified, so go check them out, guys. Everything's going to be in the description below. So let's get started. All right, guys. So this is what the tail lights come in. Well packaged. Put this aside. Oof, look at this. Look at this. That's beautiful. Guys, so these are the tail lights. These are the brackets for the resistors, and then screws. Alright guys, so these are the tail lights. Wow, they look beautiful, and I love how they're smoked out. It's so pretty. So as you can tell, you see they're marked. So this one's for the left side. Sorry, bear with me. This is for the right side. So plug and play. The only thing that we are gonna have to do is mount the resistors onto a bracket that they do provide you with, which is right here. All right guys, so for today's install, this is literally everything you need. You need a rag. This is going to be to clean the surface behind the tail light before installing them. A Phillips screwdriver, or you could use a drill, up to you. Another thing is a 732 socket with a socket wrench, of course. That's going to be to tighten up the nut for the bracket that holds the resistor. If not, in reality, you could use a needle nose. Alright guys, so before we do anything, I think it's going to be a lot easier for us if we just install the bracket for the resistor. So that's how this goes. It lines up perfectly with the hose. And then we're going to grab a little screw. Bear with me. Alright. Got one. Two. And then we're going to put on the little nut that they provide. So hand tight first. Don't like having chubby fingers. So that's how that goes. Now we're gonna get the socket. And the screwdriver. Awesome. Nice and tight. So that's how that goes. And now we're going to be installing these clips. There's one. Oh, sorry. And there's two. It's gonna go just like that. Perfect. So you're gonna do that to the other tail light as well. All right, guys. So now what we're gonna be doing is removing the tail light. You're gonna grab your Phillips screwdriver or your drill, and you're gonna remove the two inner bolts. That's everything that's holding the tail light. One, two. Be careful, it might fall off. There is a little clip, so what you're gonna want to do is slide it to the left and then pull out. There you go. And then for the harness, all you gotta do is click this little clip here and pull out, just like that. This is an aftermarket tail light, so that it might look a little different compared to the stock ones. All right, guys. So now this is where the rag comes in place. You're gonna want to clean all that residue before installing it. That's just me. You don't have to use a spray. I'm just being a little bit extra. Make it look brand new. And remember, we are putting a 3M tape on it.
cuidado, mira. Ahí yo me voy a doblar. Y en la 39 mi esposa, yo estaba oyendo.
All right, guys. So now what we're gonna be doing is mounting the tail light bracket. So it's gonna be on the tail light. You see how it comes apart? Let's put this down. So we're gonna be mounting this side. Make sure you have the corresponding side. Sorry. So you see the 3M tape? It's gonna go just like this. And it's gonna clip right in. So you're gonna have to slide it to the right so it mounts up. It's nice and sturdy. All right, so let's remove this. So, right there, make sure the screws are aligned, which they are. Perfect. Clips in. Make sure the tail lights, the adhesive is on while it holds on nice. All right, guys. So now you're gonna want to use the original screws to mount the bracket, tail light bracket. Just like that. Awesome. Look at that. That's not going nowhere. All right, guys, so now for the best part, the exciting part, we're gonna be now mounting the tail light. So with the first thing I recommend you do is mount the resistor bracket. Oops. So you're gonna do that. There's two places you can locate it. It's up to you. I'm gonna be mounting it to the far left. And I'll show you guys now. Just give me one quick second. Just like that. Or and now you're gonna mount the harness. Oh, well, connect the harness. Just like that. Once you have it in, let me show you the resistor. That's how I have it. You could also put it on that side. So I'm gonna put this aside. You're gonna push it in once you hear that click, the click. That means it's on. So far it's good, but now we're just gonna be installing two screws that they do provide for you. Also gonna be Phillips. So these are the two screws that they provide. There's two for each side. Sorry for getting the camera view. So this one's gonna be a little bit. Awesome, nice and tight. So that's how it looks when it's mounted. Look at that. Wow. That's, what a beauty. Really adds to the look of the Jeep. All right, guys, so the same thing we did to the passenger side, we're gonna be doing to the driver's side. So let me show you how quick and easy it is. Oops. This is side. Now, on the driver's side, we're gonna be pushing to the left. I mean, pulling to the right. Just like that. Like that. Got a rag. Awesome. Now we're gonna grab our bracket. Remove the 3M tape. Alright. Put the harness through. All right, guys, so I waited for it to get a little dark so you guys can get a better view. So this is your running lights. Now this is your left turn signal. Now this is your right turn signal. Look at that. Your hazards. Now this is your brake. Now this is your reverse. Look at that. Look how beautiful they are. Awesome. Guys, another beautiful feature that I love about these taillights is that it has a side marker. Not all taillights have that, so I'm very happy with that. All right, guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. If you guys have any questions, concerns, any tips, comment down below. Also, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Fat Jeep so you guys can get sneak peeks and also the giveaways that I'll be doing. Also, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and have a beautiful day and stay safe.